Welcome to our channel. Today, we're diving into an exciting product that could transform your living space, the 60-inch electric fireplace, a recessed and wall-mounted heater that combines style with functionality. We found this product online and added the link in the description so you can check the latest price and availability. Now, let's talk about what this product is. This electric fireplace is designed to bring warmth and a cozy ambience to your home without the hassle of traditional fireplaces. With its sleek design and durable construction, made from tempered glass and metal, it effortlessly fits into various indoor spaces such as your living room, bedroom, or dining area. It's not just a heater, it's a decorative piece that enhances the overall aesthetic of your home. One of the standout features of this electric fireplace is its two heating options. You can choose between a low setting, which operates at 750 watts for a gentle warmth, or a high setting at 1500 watts, delivering a robust 5,100 BTUs of heat. This allows you to effectively heat spaces up to 400 square feet, making it a practical choice for chilly nights. Plus, if you don't need the heat, you can easily switch it off, allowing you to enjoy the beautiful flame effects without warming up the room. Speaking of flame effects, this fireplace offers a stunning simulation of flames with a total of 169 customizable flame effects. You can choose from 13 different colors and combine them with 13 colors of the fuel bed. The brightness is adjustable at 5 different levels, so you can set the mood just right for any occasion. Additionally, you'll receive 3 types of ember materials: whole charcoal wood, crushed charcoal, and crystal, to create a unique look that complements your home decor. Installation is another area where this electric fireplace shines. It's designed for easy installation, either recessed into the wall or mounted on the wall, giving you flexibility in how you want to set it up. Its overall dimensions are 60 inches wide, 18.35 inches high, and 5 inches deep, fitting seamlessly into your chosen space. The installation kit includes all necessary brackets and instructions, making it a straightforward DIY project. Just remember to keep flammable items at least 0.9 meters away from the heater for safety. Speaking of safety, this electric fireplace comes with built-in overheating protection and has received SGS certification, ensuring that it meets high safety standards. Furthermore, it's backed by a 3-year warranty and lifetime technical support from DreamFlame, a trusted name in electric fireplaces for years. This level of support gives you peace of mind when using the product. So, who is this electric fireplace suitable for? If you're someone looking to add a touch of warmth and elegance to your home without the hassle of wood or gas fireplaces, this is an excellent choice. It's perfect for families, busy professionals, or anyone who wants to create a cozy atmosphere in their space. Whether you're hosting a gathering or enjoying a quiet night in, this fireplace enhances the experience. In practical terms, imagine curling up on a winter evening, the glow of the flames flickering softly as you read a book or watch your favorite movie. Or picture yourself entertaining friends and family, using the adjustable flames to create just the right ambience. This electric fireplace not only serves as a heater but also as a beautiful focal point in your home, elevating your decor and enhancing your overall comfort. In conclusion, the 60-inch electric fireplace offers a stylish, functional, and safe heating solution for your home. With its impressive features and customizable options, it's clear why this product stands out. Thanks for watching. If this video helped you, don't forget to subscribe to the channel.